This is a very exciting release for me. The DJI Mic 2, it's the full kit, the one that comes with the 2 transmitters, the 1 receiver, the charging case, it comes with it all, and this is the new DJI Mic 2. So slightly different design when it comes to really everything here. Like they all look different, the charging case, the microphones, and also the receiver as well. So pretty excited about this one. We can see on the back, this is kind of the advertising, the push for what we get new and exciting in here. So it's an all-in-one, ready-to-use microphone system, and if it's anything like the DJI Mic 1, absolutely flawless. That's what I'm using right now, and I've never had issues with it. It does a great job. High quality audio recording, which is expected if this is the next version. We've got 18 hours of battery life, which is huge. Intelligent noise cancelling, crystal clear vocals, 14-hour internal recording, and we get 32-bit float internal recording, which means that we shouldn't have any issues at all with peaking because it records many layers, so it kind of gives a lot more depth to the recording, and that means that even if you're talking directly into the microphone way too loud, it's not going to peak and the audio isn't going to crackle or, you know, peak out. So it's going to allow you to be able to record any scenario, even in those situations where it is extremely loud. If you're recording even near like a gig or something where there's lots of like music happening and you're trying to talk, something like this is going to do the great job. 250 meter range as well, which is huge. We get the 1 receiver, 2 transmitters. They refer to it as shadow black transmitters, charging case, carrying bag, clip magnet ×2. We get the mobile phone adapter. We get 2 of them, which would be the Lightning and the USB-C. We get the windscreen. We get 2 of those, camera audio cable, USB-C charging cable, and some documents. So you do get a lot in this package, and I'm very keen to see what it all looks like, how it all works, how they've packaged this all together. So let's get into this and see what we've got in the DJI Mic 2. I'm just going to open this up on top here. Oh, that's really cool. It comes in a little bag. I was not expecting a bag like that. Oh, I love that. That's a great little bag. We get some documents in here as well. They always do a great job with their documents. We get a few documents in there. That's the box over there, as you can see. And then this is the bag. I actually really like this bag. This looks extremely well produced. You got the DJI logo there, the nice secure bag, perfect for travel. And then as we open it up, this is what we get inside. So let's go through it piece by piece. Ooh, yeah, that's very nice. A completely different color to what I was expecting them to do. Let's just take this sticker off so we can see how it all comes packaged. So there we go, so that's the package. It looks like you press the button and then that's how you, oh, look at that. Beautiful, love that. I love how they've done that. That looks really clean. Bit more sleek as well. It comes with that built-in clip so you can just mount that to whatever you need. I love the orange accenting colors to really stand out. You got DJI on top. That is a very clean system. Here's the DJI Mic 2. Love that see-through design, and that's how it comes in the carrying case like so. So far, quite impressed with this. Love how the case is a little larger. Love that kind of gray that they've gone for, a different color. DJI logo on top, you've got the USB-C on the base. This is a charging case, so you are going to have some charging icons here. We would know that, there you go, when you open it up, you get the indicator of what the case is at, and then you also get the indicator there of how the charge is going on all the devices. So that's the main piece there, but then you also have this lovely bag with a bunch of different options and accessories, right? So you get this USB-C to USB-A, that's how you can charge everything up, but also the case itself is just going to charge everything internally, as long as the case has got charge itself. In here, we're going to have some more accessories. So these are going to be the little wind screens. So that's one of them there. And I really love this design. I love how it just plugs in. Because sometimes it can be a little bit fiddly to get the wind screen in, but this time all you have to do is just plug it in. Clicks in perfectly, looks great, and is nice and secure. That's not coming out. You know, a little bit of force to pull it out, but love that system. That's something that I was very excited to see. We would also have another windscreen in here. Same kind of design. And then we've got the cable like I showed you. There's this other cable here to connect that up to a camera system, which is going to be perfect. I guess, there we go. That's the other things I was looking for. So you've got the connection pieces here. If I take that one out, that's how you connect it in to your iPhone. So that's a lightning connection piece. Plug that straight into your iPhone. And then we've also got this one here, which is the USB-C if you wanted to connect it to an Android device or something else. That does a really great job as well. So love what they've done here. Love the build. It looks extremely high quality, very professional looking, and this is going to look great in your camera bag. And you have your own separate camera bag now, your own separate mic bag, which is really cool as well. So super excited for this one. Definitely check it out if you're looking to upgrade your microphone game. This is another exciting release from DJI. It is their Lavalier microphone system. You can see it looks like a well-built microphone, and I'm just going to show you it with the DJI Mic 2 just to show you how to connect it up, what you can expect from this system. So as always, they have a nice little unboxing process. Take that guy off, and then as you open it up, this is what comes in the packaging. I wouldn't imagine there would be too much in this box. It does look like there's some paperwork behind there, which I can't seem to access. There we go. So it just comes with the microphone itself. You get some paperwork as well, and that's pretty much it. And that's really all you need, right? So as we push this aside, let's have a look at the build quality of their Lavalier microphone. Okay, so here it is. Got little DJI logo there, and that's how you would plug it in. And then that's the microphone there. So it has a nice little clip system. Oh, and you can also rotate that. Oh, that feels nice. That's really cool. So you can literally like rotate that to a different position. It just kind of clicks around almost like a cog, and then you can clip that on if you want it on an angle like that. If you want to clip it down and have it directly down underneath a shirt or a collar or whatever it may be. That build quality is extremely nice. Love how that's built. It looks nice and elegant. And the idea here is basically, let's say for example, you've got like the DJI Mic 2, but you don't want to just have this connected to yourself. Maybe you want to have a lavalier microphone. So all you would have to do is you just plug it in on the top there, hide this, you can clip this onto your belt now, and then you can have that clipped underneath your shirt, on your collar, whatever it may be. And that's how you can connect it up and use the DJI Lavalier microphone. Love the build quality on it, very high grade. And just even that little system there that I just showed you is very unique and innovative. The fact that that just feels so nice to click to different positions and it just holds its position, and that gives you the control to change the angle that the microphone is mounted on. So well done with that one. Very nice job with the Lavalier microphone from DJI. Definitely check it out if you're looking to up your audio game. Another really cool feature of the DJI Mic 2 is the fact that you can actually wirelessly connect the microphones to compatible devices. So here is the DJI Mic 2, a phenomenal microphone system. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to connect it up to the Osmo Action 4. And I'll show you how to connect it up and how easy it is to wirelessly connect the two. So all you do on your Osmo Action 4, swipe down, go to the settings, make sure that this is up to the latest firmware, click on wireless microphone, and then if you click on the top, it will actually tell you how to connect it. So you press and hold the record button until indicator turns solid blue, press and hold linking button until indicator blinks blue quickly. So that's all you've got to do. So we'll just put this down. I might turn it up like that. Oh, you can't see it. I think we need to stop the screen. There we go. So if we go back into the settings this way, just so you can see it on the front facing screen, go into wireless microphone. So now that's in the wireless microphone mode. As you read, you press and hold the record button until you get that solid blue light. There it is. And then you press and hold the linking button. And there we go. So it's now connected up. You can see we're getting the audio at the top there. We get that little audio bar along the top there, that green bar, and it just connects up straight away. You can see it's got that blue solid light just to tell you that it's connected up. And it really is that simple to connect the two. Just takes a little bit of getting used to the process, but once it's connected, it's very simple to just go out and get some high quality audio. The fact we can connect it up to an action camera is really, really exciting. This makes it nice and easy to capture like vlog style shots when you're on the run. You can just literally have this plugged in or connected wirelessly and then just record all of your clips as you're going about doing whatever it is that you're doing. Really, really exciting stuff. This is another really exciting feature of the DJI Mic 2. Basically, with compatible devices like the Osmo Pocket 3, you can actually wirelessly connect up one of the microphone systems. All you've got to do is get the microphone out. You've then got to make sure it's in the correct pairing mode. So firstly, you would power it on. Now, typically it might just have a green solid light there. So I'll just show you what that looks like. You would press and hold the record button, and that's typically what it will look like. It will be the green light that will slowly flash. So again, you press and hold that record button until it goes into the blue flashing light. And then all you have to do is press and hold that pairing button there. Now that puts it straight into the pairing mode and it will flash fast. get ready to connect up. Now all you have to do, power on the device, so the Osmo Pocket 3, swipe down, go into your settings and then click on the wireless mic, and then it does give you the instructions there of how to connect it all up. But now it's in that pairing mode, so it should very soon discover, and there we go, it's now connected, telling us a few details that we need to know, and there we go. So 80%, 15 hours of recording, and now we get that little microphone, I guess, icon across the top that's telling us the microphone levels there. So it's that simple to connect it up. It's ready to record straight away. As long as it's a compatible device, that's how you can connect it up.